Hello, welcome back to my channel. Kodiakkarai, also known as Point Calimere, is basically an island surrounded by the Bay of Bengal, the Park Strait, swampy backwaters, and the salt pans. It spans 21.5 square kilometers and is located close to Tiruchirappalli and Tanjavur. The place dates back to around the early 16th century when Portuguese traders started commercial contacts with the nearby Nagapattinam town and established a commercial center in there. So this video is all about the Kodiakkarai sanctuary. If you do really love watching our videos, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. The different habitats within the sanctuary are tropical evergreen forest, sand dunes, salt pans, tidal mudflats, shallow seasonal ponds, and grassy coastal plains. The notable animals here are spotted deer, jackal, wild boar, monitor lizard, short-nosed fruit bat, small Indian civet, star tortoise, jungle cat, and feral pony. This place is relatively safe for blackbuck, since the only predators here are jackals and free-ranging stray dogs. The ponies grazing in the open areas were once imported by the British to Nagapattinam to use them as pack animals. There can be 2 lighthouses seen at Kodiakkarai. In the 8th century, Rajaraja Chola I built a lighthouse at Kodiakkarai, of which the remains can only be found today. The second one is a 13-meter lighthouse built by the British in 1890. This is the one which is used even today. The suitable time for the visit here is during the period of October to January. The visitors can be accompanied by a guide approved by the Forest Department. Thanks for watching. To watch more videos related to the sanctuaries in India, subscribe my channel.